Welcome to the world of math projects. Time is essential. Don't let the sand all run out before we get on top of things. So, here is a video talking about how we're going to answer this here question sheet. Little bit of reading would help you out. That the first question you're going to start at 10 high and going across 10. For the second row, it's going to give you the angle 60. Now your job is to find out all the other numbers. Then you're going to come up with a pair of numbers. I think I've explained this before. People weren't listening, but I'll explain one more time. So now let's do a calculation. I'm going to do a calculation for the angles 25. It's a very nice number. People like 25. Angle of elevation of 25. 25 what? Do you believe it's 25 degrees? So I'm going to spend this video bouncing in and out of the equation editor and the symbol generator. Now, because I was here recently, degrees is right there. So maybe you might have to go a bit searching into more symbols to find it. Excellent. Use this opportunity to use the tools. So I guess first up we want a picture. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple of enters, just makes life a little bit easier. Right, I'm not normally going to show you this, but this means we've got all this space to work in here before it gets messed up. So I'll turn that off. So let's put in a picture. What sort of picture are we going to need? Let me think. It might be triangle. We're going to assume that the tree is a right angle, so don't want it coloured in. Right, now comes the point I'm going to put some labels on the picture. Okay, so first up we need a right angle to show people we will be able to use our formulas, so that's a little square, I guess. Again, hollow on the inside. Now here's something I'm going to keep doing as I'm going to go through. I'm going to click here, hold down Shift, and I'm going to right click and group these. So that way when I move them, I don't move just one, I'll move both of them. Okay, so now I'm going to add some text boxes to the outside. So insert text box. Now the key issue with text box is you set one up so it's all good, and then you copy and paste it around. So 10 meters was the number. Are we happy with the size of that? Maybe we want to get that font up a little bit. That's way better. Now, currently, it's got this line on it, and it's going to block over my writing. So a couple little fiddly bits we'll do once, and then we'll copy it. We're going to change the fill to no fill, and we're going to change the outline to no outline. So before I do anything, I'm going to copy and paste this a few times. Copy, paste with Control V, or just paste over here. Now I'm going to need about 4 or 5 of these. Okay, let's put them in position. Yes. So this is going to be 10 meters high. This is, I'm not going to know how long it is. I'm going to give that a name. I'm going to call it X. That's how long is the cable. Okay. How long is the cable? Now you can adjust these text boxes. Cool. This is how long is the distance till they hit the ground. So give it a different letter so we can see it in the algebra. Alright, let's make it wider. Distance to landing point. And this is my angle. So let's change this to 25. Where was that symbol? Where was that symbol? Insert symbol. Okay, so the assumption for this question, row 3, assumption that I'm going to make is that, well, the angle of elevation is 25. Right, so that explains how we get to here. So just before I go on to the algebra, I'm going to do the grouping again. So I'll hold down Shift or Control or something like that, and click on each of the parts, and then I right click and group. As long as I know they're good, because if I want to edit one, I would have to ungroup them. I can still type in the individual boxes though. But this makes, I can resize it, and I all sort of resize, and much handier when you're doing a document and it might get mixed up on another row.